How do you convert this headstock to this? Let's see how it can be done very quickly. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is my first video or a video from the series of making this cheap electric guitar look and play better. So as part of this, what we are going to do today is remove this headstock decal, and also in a subsequent video I'm going to show you how you can add a custom decal onto your headstock and make it very custom. What do you want to do this first? So a decal like this, it says Juarez in it. It already devalues this guitar. If you take that off, it can be anything. So you can put your name in it. You can put a very custom decal in it. This all makes this guitar very unique and increases the value of the guitar. So how you can do that pretty easily? Today I'm going to show you that, so do check out the video till the end, and in the next video I'm going to also show you how you can do a custom decal on this. What you need for that is some quantity of this, which is acetone. Now I know getting acetone is not something very easy for everybody. This is typically available in chemical shops, some medical stores as well. But I'm also going to show you how you can do that using this. So this is a bottle of nail polish remover which you can find in your house. Ask your wife, ask your girlfriend, whoever it is, they usually have this. Okay, so it's nothing but the same chemical as this. So it's very easy to remove this decal using acetone or nail polish remover. All you also need is a piece of cloth, so or a piece of cotton, that would be good enough. So let me quickly show you how you can do this within, let's say, 5 minutes. So I have positioned the camera in such a way that you can actually see what I'm doing. So I have taken the nail polish remover, I have taken a piece of cloth, and take some nail polish remover or acetone, whatever it may be, and then just rub it on it. So it also fast tracks the process if you dab a bit of acetone on it. As you can see, it's already coming off. So it is as easy as that. It's not that difficult, and you don't need to actually sand or damage the headstock or anything like that. It's a chemical removal process, pretty easy, and takes hardly 5 minutes. So as you can see that decal paint is already coming off. It is advisable to wear gloves, but I'm not wearing it. I would suggest you take the necessary precautions. So that's almost it. So we are done. So as you can see, this is no longer a Juarez guitar. So that was the only thing in this guitar which was saying this is a Juarez guitar. So already what I am saying is the value of this guitar has increased. But in the next video I want to show you how you can do a custom decal. So do check out that video. If you like this series, do subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Your appreciation would help keep this channel moving along. Thank you.